A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Kavita, Assistant Professor at RPS Degree College, Mindergarh. Today, I will discuss about two important process of nuclear reaction, that is fusion and fission. We all know that nuclear reaction deals with the interaction between nuclei of atoms, but in this presentation, I will focus only on the nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. We all know that fission and fusion, they are the most important phenomena or process of nuclear fission, nuclear reaction, and it deals with the matter and energy. So first we will define matter and energy. We all know that matter and energy cannot be created or nor be destroyed. We now need to understand the matter and energy, they are just the two different form of the same thing. Now this equation, this is a very famous equation given by the Einstein, E equal to mc square. It tells that matter can be changed into energy. In this formula, E is the energy, m is the mass, and c is the speed of light. Now here we all know that mass, small mass, when it is multiplied by the speed of light का square, then it will give a very large value of E. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से क्या है, छोटा सा भी अगर मास होगा, that when converted into energy it release a very large amount of energy. Now comes to the nuclear fission. Fission होता क्या है? Fission एक process है where an atomic nuclei split into two or more fission fragment or smaller nuclei. Here large amount of energy is released. Now fissile nuclei are those nuclei which have large number of nucleon, such nucleon that are very unstable, or to attain the stability it break into fragments. Basically the fission region of the fission is the atomic electrostatic repulsion which is created by large number of protons within the nucleus. Now if we consider the example for the fission, uranium-235 will be the best example. When any stray neutron that strike an atom of uranium-235, it absorb that neutron and it become unstable. Thus it disintegrate or breaks into two lighter nuclei, smaller nuclei, krypton 92 and barium 142, and releases large amount of energy. Now fission can occur natural. A French researcher found a natural uranium reactor in Gabon which is estimated to be 2 billion years old, and this fission produced large amount of heat energy. This heat energy can be captured by the nuclear power plant to produce the electricity. Now comes to the another important phenomena of nuclear reaction, that is the nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is basically the fusion of two lighter nuclei to give a heavier nucleus. Fusion process generates tremendous amount of energy. So to fusion to occur, a large amount of energy is needed to overcome the electrical charges of nuclei and to fuse them together. Now we should know that fusion reaction do not occur naturally on this planet, on our planet Earth, but if we consider the star, it is the principal type of reaction found in star. Large masses, density and high temperature of star provide initial energy needed to fuel fusion reaction. Some fusion hydrogen atom to produce helium, subatomic particle and vast amount of energy. Now the summary Today here in this presentation I have discussed about the mass energy relation, then fission, and after that fusion process. Now it's time for the quiz. First question, which nuclear process produce large amount of energy? A. Fission, B. Fusion, C. Both fission and fusion, and neither fission nor fusion. तो दोनों से एनर्जी निकलती है, लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, देयरफॉर बी विल बी, सी विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, फिजन इज द प्रोसेस दैट डैश एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियाई. फिजन में क्या होता है? एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियाई स्प्लिट करता है. ठीक है, तो डी विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन. मास कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी. यस, मास कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट, फिजन प्रोसेस रिक्वायर हैवी एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियाई. यस, फिजन के लिए हमें पता है हैवी न्यूक्लियस की जरूरत पड़ती है, और जो फ्यूजन है दैट टेक प्लेस फॉर द लाइटर वन. नेम अ न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन दैट अकर इन विद इन द सन. दैट इज द न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन. वेरी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फिजन इज अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस दैट अकर ऑन द प्लैनेट अर्थ. वेरी ट्रू. Explain this equation, E equal to mc square. We all know this is the equation given by the Einstein, known as Einstein equation. Here E is the energy, m is the mass, and c is the speed of light. Okay, thank you.